What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I will test and review the LAMTTO 3-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, which of course lets you connect to CarPlay or Android Auto wirelessly without a cable. And it's also loaded with several other features, including streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix. This product is for vehicles that have a wired CarPlay or Android Auto and a touchscreen. I received this for free to test and review, so let's get started. First, it's a small box. It's compact and simple. We have an instruction manual, the car video box, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and a little tool to press the reset button. The instructions are pretty good. They are clear and pretty thorough, with helpful color pictures. And before we head out to the car to use it, the box has a USB-C output port that gets connected to the vehicle, and you can use one of the included cables. This is an LED status indicator light. And this is a reset button, which is what this little tool is for. On the other side, this is a mini HDMI output port to show videos on an external screen, like a headrest monitor. And a USB-A input port to connect a USB storage drive with movies or music. Now, let's go use it. I will be using CarPlay with an iPhone in this video. Unfortunately, I don't have an Android phone to use Android Auto. This vehicle has CarPlay, but it requires plugging my phone in with a cord to use it, which is annoying. That's exactly what this product is for. First, let's get rid of this cord and connect the video box. My vehicle has USB-A ports, so I'll be using the included USB-A cable. And this is the default screen when the box is connected. This screen is the box and has nothing to do with my phone yet. My phone is not connected. The box has an Android system with pre-installed apps. When powered, the unit illuminates this LED design and cycles through colors. I sped up the video to show it cycle through all the colors faster. And this is the status indicator light. It's green for iPhone and blue for Android. Back at the screen, again, this display is the Android system on the box. It's not my phone. To function, it needs a Wi-Fi connection for the streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube. And it needs a Bluetooth connection for Bluetooth music and phone calls, and for CarPlay and Android Auto. You can make the connections in settings. For the Wi-Fi, connect to your phone's hotspot, and Bluetooth is Bluetooth. I already connected them, and it only has to be done once. Now the box automatically connects to my phone. Let's start with CarPlay. Select CarPlay or Android Auto for Android. From the home screen, your phone will connect to Bluetooth, and you are connected to CarPlay. Exactly the same as when your phone is connected with the cable, but now it's wireless. To go back to the box home screen, select the car icon to go back. So wireless CarPlay works perfect. Let's see what else this box has to offer. There are several apps on this home screen, but all of the apps are here. In addition to YouTube and Netflix, there's also Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and TikTok. There are several features and settings. You can also change the background wallpaper to some existing options or upload something custom. This plays audio from whatever you connect through Bluetooth. We've seen this car button, which returns to your car here. There's the App Store, which has a couple apps in it. I don't know. There's Files, so I guess you can save some files to the box. This displays videos from storage connected to the USB port. And this plays audio files from storage connected to the USB port. We've already seen CarPlay, and this is for Bluetooth phone calls. Now, let's try Netflix. I did have to sign into my account, and everything works perfect. The video and audio are normal quality with no issues. I can't show you any sound or video because of copyright. Let's get out of here. Now, let's try YouTube. You can sign into YouTube. I did not. And this is a good-looking channel. I will start up a video, but I'm not worried about copyright claims on this video. For me, YouTube runs a little bit fuzzy every time I try it, but it's hotspotting off of my phone, so maybe that's the issue. But Netflix is crisp, so I'm not sure. If I pull up the same YouTube video on my phone, it's crisp on my phone. My cell phone data is currently running the video on my phone and the video on the car box at the same time. My phone is crisp, and the car box is fuzzy. So, I don't know what that's all about. And you can leave the streaming app and keep a mini player on the home screen. You can move it around, reopen it, or close it. And testing out the other streaming apps, here's Amazon Prime. You have to sign in, but I don't have this. And here's Disney Plus. Every time I thought it was done loading, more stuff would load up. And again, you have to sign in, but I don't have this either. And last is TikTok. It looks like you have to sign in to use this too. Of course, do not stream anything while you're driving. If you're just chilling in your car on a lunch break or something, this could be a cool feature. But not when you're driving. No, no, no. Lunch is over. Get back to work. And the next feature is screen mirroring, and I love mirrors. Hello there, you handsome devil. Open the Screen Mirror app on the car box. Then link up to it on your phone, and the car screen will show what's on your phone screen. It works okay for simple things like this calculator, but there is a little bit of lag. Opening something more heavy duty, it's still working great with streaming this YouTube video. During my week of testing, I have run into streaming getting choppy a few times. So keep in mind that Screen Mirror runs on Wi-Fi, so it's running off of your phone's hotspot. So it can get choppy if you don't have good cell phone service and cannot provide a good connection to the car box. Now let's test the USB port. I plugged in a flash drive with some audio and video files on it. Selecting the USB video button, it loads something up, and there's a list of all of the videos on the flash drive, and you can select whichever one you want to. I sure hope that good-looking guy doesn't copyright claim me for showing his video. And going back to the home screen, selecting the USB audio button loads something up. And again, there's a list of all the audio files on the flash drive, where you can select whichever one you want to. And last, let's try the mini HDMI output port. Unfortunately, I don't have a headrest monitor, so I'll just borrow this TV and stick it in my car. And of course, a TV is not going to run off of the 12-volt power supply in the car, so we'll bring in the Generac portable power station. Then connect an HDMI cable to the TV input, and finally connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the car box mini HDMI output. So the car box is connected to the headrest monitor, and the TV is plugged into a power supply. Let's turn it on. After it powers on and fires up, it shows the car box display. Going into YouTube and loading up a video, it works perfectly. And I will add that the external monitor has its own sound input, which is controlled independently from the car screen volume.
What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will fully test and review the Aragogo Gigapump 5.
So it works perfect. The TV is just a slave screen, and you can't control the screen from it. But both screens have independent volume controls. So that gets us through all of the features. To wrap up, this thing is packed with features, and I'm permanently using it in my car. No more cord. Wireless CarPlay is awesome, and it works perfectly. Streaming is a cool feature, and being able to run audio and video offline from a USB storage can also be a powerful feature. As always, I hope you found this helpful or entertaining. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.